If you're watching this, it means you have successfully completed the crash course. You now understand the essential concepts, the syntax, and the logic. Huge thing. But theory alone doesn't build careers. Practicality does. So now we shift gears. We're moving from learning the concepts to engineering the solution. You're about to build a production-grade classroom management application with a bit of help of AI in between, and then redoing the whole application with AI again once you know how to build it from scratch in the first place. So let me show you exactly what you're building. You'll start with the auth pages, where you can select your role, either a student or a teacher, add a profile photo, a full name, email, and a password. Because without a successful sign-up, you won't be able to see the dashboard. So once you actually sign up, you can sign in. The system will automatically recognize which role you are, and it'll show the appropriate dashboard. That's the first page that you'll see after the successful authentication. The dashboard will give you a complete real-time overview. You can see the total number of students, teachers, active classes, subjects, and anything else that might be relevant. There's a ton of data, and you can add even more if you want to. And these are not just static numbers. This is live data being pulled with Drizzle ORM. We're going to first write raw SQL queries manually so you understand how it works. And then if you want to get some more data, you can easily use AI and tell it what you want to be done. Then we have departments and subjects. A university is a complex web of connections. Departments manage subjects, and then subjects also have teachers. You can drill all the way down from a specific department that has its own department details page that looks like this, and then head over to the classes within a department, as well as teachers that teach within that department. Within the departments list, you can also quickly create a new department if you are a teacher. And the same process goes for subjects. You can quickly create new subjects too. Then you've got the faculty directory. It features pagination, instant search, so you can see some of the teachers and take a look at the detailed profile views. And now we go to the heart of the application, class management. Here you'll see a complete list of classes to enroll, and you can also search classes by name. For example, we can go to a web development bootcamp. We can find it very quickly. You can also filter them by subjects. For example, if you want to take a look at some software engineering classes, you can find them here, and you can also filter them by teachers. So this works too. You can then also create a class, but this also comes with strict validation, where you can't assign two teachers to the same class. Here, we're also introducing Cloudinary for image upload. You can upload images from your local file system, or you can also just find images online. Cloudinary then has additional AI-powered features and optimizes your images instantly. After you create a class, you'll be able to see its banner image hosted by Cloudinary, as well as the list of additional details from that class, which instructor is holding it, the department it's in, and information to join the class. And finally, we can talk about enrollments. The only thing you have to do is select which class you want to enroll, and you're done. You can just do it instantly. Think of this system as your foundation. From here on, you can easily extend it to include features like classroom announcements, file sharing, assignment submissions, and anything else you can think of. But if you think about it, you can also completely modify the theme of this dashboard. It doesn't have to be related to universities, subjects, departments. It can be anything you can imagine, because every single application out there is a full stack application with different CRUD operations. You're creating, reading, updating, and deleting some kind of documents and rows from tables. Once you master the core architecture of what you're building today, you'll realize that adding those extra features is actually the easy part. It's just repetition. Oh, and I completely forgot. You can change the theme of this application instantly, from light to dark mode, but also modifying the complete theme of the application. Yep, I really do mean the complete theme, because I'll show you how to add Tweak CN that allows you to choose between many different themes, and within literally half a minute, you can completely change the look and feel of your dashboard by simply taking the code and adding it within your application. With that in mind, I hope you're pumped. Let's dive right in.